Looking for the right car? Today could be your lucky day. With 36,865 miles, this black granite metallic, 2012 Chevrolet Impala equipped with automatic transmission could be yours. Request more information and set up a test drive right away.